Hi, this is Fred, and welcome to another video. So today we're going to go over a project together. This project just came in requesting for a pricing, and so we're gonna pull up the information here. So as always, we always start first with a location overview. And give me a second while I pull up the address. So it says, "Hello, we love paving. My name is Kim, and I work for uh, an HOA management company. One of our associations, located in Stockton, California, has a court with some asphalt issues, including potholes, craters, cracking asphalt, etc. I found your information online and you have great reviews. Curious if you service the Stockton area, and if so, would you be interested to inspect the area listed below and produce a proposal for the repair? Please let me know as soon as possible. Ideally, I'd like to have a proposal by the end of business day, March 10th, 2021, which is next Wednesday, or the latest March 11th, 2021. If you're able to squeeze us in, it would be much appreciated. The board of this association will be having a meeting March 16th to review the proposal. The problem area is located on Shiloh Court. The best address to use is Shiloh Court, Stockton, California. Attached are pictures and a map of the entire community with Shiloh Court highlighted for your references. If you'd like, you can submit a proposal with two options. One, a quick fix for the potholes and craters pictured. And two, a complete redo of Shiloh Court asphalt, which would solve all the cracking asphalt, craters, and potholes. If you're willing to send me a proposal, can you please send a copy of your current W-9, insurance, and bond information? This information is required to be received from every vendor before approving any proposal to ensure they are licensed, bonded, and insured. If you have any questions, you can assist me or you can reach me via email or direct line. I copy the HOA manager of the association on this email to ensure she is kept in the loop. Thank you sincerely, Kim. Hi, Kim. Thank you so much for your email. I appreciate the request. We're going to start off with pulling the location so I can assess this project and give you accurate information. So the address 6816. Let me pull it up here. Okay. So we're going to 6816 Shiloh Court in Stockton. Okay. So pulling it up right now. Okay. Let's see. So right over here, 6816 Shiloh. All right, let me pull up the other document that I received. Let me show you. Okay, so these are the documents that I received. So as you can see on the pictures, these are the craters that we're looking at. Over here and over here. Maybe some issues with the valley gutter, the concrete valley gutter here around this storm drain. The surrounding looks in great shape. It's only this affected area. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is... Okay, this is a little bit... No, not good. And let me pull up Shiloh Court here on the maps. So she provided me the map overview here. Okay, something is off here, but I think I found it. Here's the valley gutter. As you can see, that's the valley gutter. Let me see if I can go through here. Okay, so it's the alley. It's the alley here. That's the valley gutter. I found it. Um, yeah, this is more like the pictures that I got from her. Let me go back to those. Yep, that looks more like it. If I show you this screen, and then I show you this other screen. You can see the tree, and I think those are bollards in the background. Yep, no doubt this is the area. Okay, fair enough. That's enough info for this to get it started. So, as you know, the routine here, we pull up the overview. We can tell from here. So she's asking pricing if we were to redo the whole thing from scratch. So we gather the square footage here. So it goes somewhat like this. It goes over this way. Up this way. And back down. So speed is everything. So there we go. And that fast, that easy. We got the square footage. So we save this. So that's the square footage. This is for Shiloh Court, Stockton. So that's if we were to do like the full replacement. Now I can give her a pricing with this and with this info, and then just the partial repairs, which it would be a quick fix, pretty much excavating around. Let me go back to the screen. So excavating around here. So for the equipment, for this to be easy for us with the equipment to fit in, we like doing 8 minimum. So 8 by 10, or just to make it easy, 10 by 10. But we cut around this 10 by 10. So that's one patch, 10 by 10. Further back, here's another one, another 10 by 10 patch. And over here, there's another one, 10 by 10. And I can give, based on that, I can just give her a pricing on this. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna make a little note here. So the affected area I'm talking about is this, and if I'm gonna make a proposal of 4 patches of 10 by 10, we would cut and excavate. So that way, when we cut it, it's a nice cut, a vertical cut around the damaged area, and then when we patch it back, it's gonna be a nice straight cut, and it looks more professional. If we were to just like clean out the broken rubble and then just fill it in, it doesn't look very professional. It looks like it was just like a plop of asphalt was thrown in there, and it doesn't look professional. It doesn't tend to last longer than if we were just to have a nice vertical cut. So we're gonna cut and excavate and patch back. Okay, so I'm gonna save this here on my notes, and we'll send this out. So if it's 4 of 10 by 10, it's a patch of 100 square feet. We multiply that times 4. It's a total of 400 square feet. 4 patches of 10 by 10, cut, excavate, and patch. That's for the quick repair. And we divide this, and over here it's the full repair, repaving. So these are the two pricing proposals that we'll send over. And over here it's a total of 1,600 square feet. And over here on this side we're looking at 100 square feet per patch, so it's a total of 400 square feet. So this is an approx. And if we were to do the partial fixes, I would recommend that we seal and coat the rest of the pavement. The sealing and the coating will make everything look uniform, one color, nice and black. It'll combine the old and the new patches into one uniform color. So this way the patches will be less visible. So almost seamless. And it also will increase the longevity and the lifespan of everything. So this way you get the best bang for your buck. You only repair what's really damaged, and you give maintenance to the other that's in fairly good condition, and you get more life out of it. Okay, this way you work, you save money because you don't have to spend money unnecessarily. And when we do the full repaving, basically you are also getting you're getting a lot in return, but you're also paying for it. But if there's a budget, and if the HOA association just wants to get it over with and just start from scratch, then, and if they have the budget, then they can just go with the full repaving. But again, it just depends on the personal and business goals that they have as an HOA, the funds that they have, the budget that they have, what they want to do, what are their goals. And some HOAs, they need to spend the money or else their budget gets cut. So sometimes repaving the whole thing makes sense financially and incentive wise. And some other HOAs, they have different goals. Their goal might be maybe they're short on funds. They want to allocate money for a different repairs elsewhere, and they just need to quickly fix this so that they eliminate the tripping hazards and any complaints that may arise from having the craters and the potholes as shown on these pictures over here. So I'll go ahead and get this going. And if you're an HOA community board member, any manager of a property, and that's viewing this transmission, I hope this was very useful for you. If you have a project, a property, or any type of project that you would like to pass on over to us for a review, let us know. Let me know. I'll be glad to go over it, give you a consultation, and provide you with the best feedback so that way you can make the best decision. As always, this is Fred. I'm happy to serve you, and signing off for right now, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye.